Hello everyone. If you are new to Go High Level, you may have seen something called pipelines and opportunities and wondered what they actually do. In this video, I'll show you what pipelines and opportunities are, how they work, and why they can help you manage leads more effectively. Right now, we are inside the opportunities section of Go High Level. At the top, you can see several stages such as new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and then negotiation, and finally closed. This entire process is called a pipeline. Think of a pipeline as the journey a lead takes before becoming a customer. For example, when someone first fills out a form, sends a message, or contacts your business, they may enter the pipeline as a new lead. Once you reach out to them, they move to the contacted stage. If they show genuine interest in your service or product, they move to qualified. After you send them your pricing, proposal, or offer, they move to proposal sent. If you are discussing details, answering questions, or talking about pricing, they may move to negotiation. And finally, when the deal is completed, they move to closed. Now let's talk about opportunities. An opportunity is the actual lead moving through the pipeline. For example, here we can see Taylor Reynolds and Casey Morgan. These are example opportunities. The pipeline is the process and the opportunity is the person moving through that process. A simple way to understand this is the pipeline is the road and then opportunity is the vehicle traveling on that road. As leads progress through different stages, you can simply drag and drop them from one stage to another. This makes it easy to track where every lead currently stands. Instead of using spreadsheets, notes, or trying to remember everything manually, you can instantly see who is new, who has been contacted, who is interested, and who is close to becoming a customer. This is why businesses such as marketing agencies, real estate companies, gyms, dental clinics, and many other businesses use pipelines every day. They help keep the sales process organized and make it easier to manage leads. So, to summarize once again, a pipeline is the series of stages a lead goes through. An opportunity is the actual lead moving through those stages. Together, they help you track, manage, and organize your sales process inside Go High Level. If you would like to try Go High Level for yourself, you can start with a free 14-day trial using my affiliate link in the description below. And if you're interested in learning more about Go High Level, make sure to subscribe because I will be posting more tutorials on workflows, forms, automations, AI features, websites, pipelines, and much more. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.